How to use DeepSeek AI without downloading. Well, you can use DeepSeek AI in the app as well as your web browser. If you don't want to install or download the app, then what you're going to do is you need to head over to your preferred web browser. Once you are in this page, in the source bar, you need to search for DeepSeek AI. It will land you on this page. Head over to the very first site. Well, you have landed on the official page of DeepSeek AI. In this page, instead of clicking on Get DeepSeek app, you have to tap on Start Now. If you haven't created your account yet, then you have to click on Sign Up. But if you already have your account, then what you're going to do is you have to enter your login credential, as in your phone number or email address, and then the password of your account. Once you have entered your login credential, tap on this checkbox and then click on Login. There you go, you have been successfully logged into your account. So over here, you will be able to see tons of different features or the option. You can understand and use these tools anytime you want to. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use DeepSeek AI without downloading. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.